Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, update your apt packages. After that, download the deb package from the tools website. In this case, we will use the terminal, which is faster. Write down this command. You can install it as you would a normal deb packages with this command. When installation is finished, you can run it from the main menu. You need to install GNOME software on your Ubuntu server. As soon as you open it, you will see the license terms that you will have to accept. When you accept them, you will be able to choose the place, the purchase license, or use the trial. Then you will see the application interface. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.